rain is getting close. Actually, I actually measured it out. I'll give you an actual mileage report on the rain. And then we're going to talk about how that's going to affect the rest of this night and into the first part of your day tomorrow. So out we go currently. You can see the clouds are in place. They're low clouds, and they are moisture-laden. But right now, it's just the leading edge. Rain is, and again, I just measured this, 67 miles away. It's not like around the Cape May area. Those are light showers. Let's get right to it. I'll show you what it looks like. So here you go. Again, there are some light showers out there. This rain we've been tracking all afternoon, but now this area has filled in. So getting a little tighter. When it was just sort of that one area west of Allentown, it actually comes in at a different time. But now this leading edge has started to fill in a bit. So now what we want to do is let's track that. And again, Giorgio at the helm, back in the office. Thank you, G. All right, here's how it works out. This is going to be getting into Hamilton at 6:53, Edison at 7:36, gets into the metro New York City area at 8:16. This is about 2 hours earlier than we thought earlier in the day. 8:45, it's to Hempstead. 9:12, it gets to Stanford. Now, the bigger picture is going to show you there's enough rain out there to last throughout the nighttime hours, maybe even into the start of your day on Saturday. So now let's time that out. If you put the Futurecast into motion, here we go. This is 10 p.m. Okay, now the difference is I was tracking at the leading edge of that rain. That's some of the light rain. Some of that heavier stuff gets into the metro areas around 10 p.m. So that is on track with what we've been thinking. So there you are, 10 p.m. Here we are, 2 a.m. I mean, still basically right over our area. Not everybody getting it, but it's out there. Okay, so that's 2 a.m. Now this is 6 a.m. So, I mean, still, now it's pushed a little further to the east. Still there. A lot of folks are now on the drier side of this system. That's 6 a.m. Saturday, and then by the time you get to, say, 11:30, you're basically done with it. Cloud cover still lingering. It's starting to break up, though, in a bunch of spots out there, so you will see peaks of sun as you get into Saturday afternoon. But the winds are now coming in from the west, northwest. Look how cold some of that wind could be up around the Catskills. That would be a snowflake just flying around. It's not an accumulator, but it's a snowflake out there. And then you get into some clear air for Saturday. Here you are, Sunday, 10 a.m. The marathon is underway, and it's a bright, clear sky out there. But we've got to talk about the winds, okay? The winds are going to be an issue. The rainfall is an issue. Rainfall amounts will be, 1 to 2 inches throughout the area. Anybody could see 1 to 2, a 2.2 possible in some spots. That was Hackettstown on this particular model. Could kind of be anywhere. But the winds will start gusting tomorrow. It says up to 60 miles per hour. That's a maximum gust. I think you're going to see a lot of gusts. 38 to 48 to maybe 50, and then you get a couple of isolated ones at 60 miles per hour. That's basically the entire area from Saturday. This is noon until 8 p.m. So once you're done with the rain, then those winds, which are breezy right now, will get even gustier. So there's your forecast for the marathon on Sunday. 43. It's a chilly 8 a.m. out there, but, the breeze is maybe 10 to 15. At 1 p.m., those winds have relaxed down to single digits, I believe, about 55 degrees. And by 5 p.m., there's basically no wind out there, and it's a crystal clear sky. Across the board, all my numbers look like this. 62 for Saturday. Remember, Saturday night, you go to bed, you fall back with your clocks. 55 Sunday under that sunshine. And then Monday, you are 58. Tuesday, 64. So we will get back to the 60s at some point during next week. We're not done with them just yet.